Hello YouTubers. Today we're going to see if the car will start. Okay. Let's see what it does this time. Okay. That's okay. So somehow it just locked itself. Okay. It's not. Okay, that was weird. That was the weirdest thing I have. Okay, so I tried pushing the buttons here. Wasn't really doing anything. And then it just started flashing. Okay, let's see. Turn signal, headlights. Backup camera. Okay, that's weird. Okay. This is the weirdest thing I have ever seen in my entire life. See what it does. Okay, it locked itself again. That's weird. Okay, now I want you to watch what the key does. When I start the vehicle. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. Nothing. Okay, so it happened again, and it started just fine. So something, I don't know what's going on here. But everything seems to, that was the weirdest thing that